Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to another episode of another unboxing. For this episode, we'll be unboxing the Holy Land LARP M2. Ang kwento lang, I bought this last 6/6 and 7 pa lang ngayon. Dumating na agad. So ganun kabilis ang Lazada. Wow, Lazada baka naman. By the way, this video is not sponsored or whatsoever. It is based on my likings lang. Kwento nito, marami akong pinagpilian. Isa nga doon yung Boya Link, Ulanzi, and yung other brands pa. Except lang DJI and Rode kasi masyado siyang mahal. And it came to my attention, this one, kasi bukod sa maliit lang siya, maganda rin yung quality niya, like the DJI mic and the Rode mic. So, let's unbox this. Grabe, sobrang bilis dumating. So, as you can see here, papers, carton. So, I guess this is the main item already. Oh my gosh, magagamit na tayo sa vlogs natin. So excited. Gagamitin ko nga para dito sa ginagamit na pang video, which is the DJI Osmo Action 4. Tabala. Guys, ito na siya. Sobrang laki ng discount ko dito. Hindi this sponsored, pero through 6/6 sale, tapos other voucher discounts whatsoever. Nakuha ko siya for just around 5,400 if I'm not mistaken, or 5,700, something like that. Around that price. Ito nga pala yung ano niya, yung box niya. Ayan. So this is the box. Meron siyang ano dito. Ganito. Tanggalin na natin yan. Meron pala siyang something here. So, sige lang dyan lang. Doon ako siya. So, this is it. Wala pa pala. Excited. Okay, manuals. This is the sticker. Okay. The after sales card. Ano ba makikita dyan? The stickers. Siyempre, mamaya na tong item itself. Lagay ko muna siya here. What's this? Accessories niya. Wala na ba? Wala na. So, tapos ko muna dito. Accessories. What is this? I think this is the fur. Ganyan muna kasi di ko pa nang gagamitin. Meron siyang dalawang cat fur. Necklace. This is the necklace. Sige, buksan na nga natin. Narinig yung mga cuts ko. Uy, ito na. Ito siya. Kasi for sure tatanggalin ko rin siya dito. Kasi gagamitin ko na siya. Tapos ito, yung necklace. Wow. Where you can put the mic, I guess. I think Dalawa dapat. Pero parang isa lang. Dalawa siya. Nagdikit lang siya. So, there. Since yung duo yung kinuha ko. Clip on. Hala! Tanggal yung ano. May something na natanggal. What's that? I think yung ano ba? Nasa gitna niya. Clip on. And what's this? Medyo butas ba talaga to? Okay. Talagang ganyan siya. This is the pouch kung saan mo ilalagay yung item. And the USB Type-C charger. So, ayan. So, punta naman tayo ngayon sa mismong item. Tatabi ko muna yan. Ilagay natin sa gilid. So, this is the main item. The Holyland Lark M2 USB Type-C edition. Duo. Kasi dalawa siya. So, yan. Para siyang yung Apple AirPods Pro. Wow. Okay, sobrang liit lang niya. Mas malaki lang siya ng konti sa Apple AirPods Pro. I think I have Apple AirPods Pro. Compare natin, wait. Okay, for comparison, this is the AirPods Pro. And this is the Holyland Lark M2. So, ganyan lang siya. Mas malaki lang ng konti yung AirPods Pro. As for the design, medyo matte siya. Plasticky ba? Medyo, pero elegant siyang tignan. So, bubuksan natin. We have the USB-C dongle here, or receiver, and two microphones. Para kung meron kang i-interviewin or whatsoever, ayan. And this is the charging case. So, try natin siya mamaya. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click na rin sa bell icon. Hi, so I'm currently using the stock microphone of the DJI Action 4. So, walang nakalagay sa sides. I'm currently using the Holyland Lark M2 without noise cancelling. So, meron nga yung electric fan sa likod ko. So, let me know in the comment section if anong mas okay. Ito ba or the stock microphone of the Osmo Action 4 soundcheck mic test. Now, we're gonna be trying the Holyland Lark M2 with noise cancelling feature in 3, 2, 1. Ayan, as you can see, naka-green na siya. So, soundcheck mic test. This is the Holyland Lark M2 with noise cancellation feature turned on. So, let me know in the comment section if anong mas okay. This one, the Lark M2 with noise cancellation turned on, or the previous one, the Lark M2 with noise cancellation turned off, or the DJI Action Cam stock microphone.